Ito, minsan mo lang, or actually first time mo lang marinig siguro yung title na The Collector.
Ang dami nag-aantay kayo.
Okay, before we discuss that, you wanna say hi to everyone
Narinig
watching
niyo ba
us?
ako?
Yes, good evening po sa inyong lahat. I'm so happy to see everyone. Maraming salamat. Alam mo namin, Pasko na bukas, Christmas Eve na bukas. But thank you so much for spending your time with us.
24 pa
Sobrang excited kami na makita ninyo ang pelikula.
At sobrang excited na kami mapanood ito.
Oh my God.
Diba? Going back to the title that I'm giving you right now, The Collector. Siyempre, every single year, nakukolekta siya ng awards eh. Ganun kagaling. Ganun kagaling ang isang Nadine
Sunod na yan.
In this
Nandiyan na
film,
si Nadine.
ano bang mga pwede namin expect? Especially
Nandiyan na si... Siyempre, next year si Aga na. Wala pa man din, pero nagdidesisyon na ako. Ganun naman eh. After ni Aga, siyempre, ayan na nga oh. Di ba tama ako? Ganyan na yan si Kumaring Vilma. Sabi ko we're so excited. So ayan, nandito na siya.
This time, medyo suplado mo.
We're waiting in the
Yeah,
red light
very,
now.
very
Abangan
different.
nyo na, mag-surrender na kayo, everyone. Nandito na si Aga Kulang.
Well, we're so happy and excited na panood ang character mo.
Ang sobrang ganda ng asawa, ang sobrang
You're gonna be
pogi at
getting in the
ganda.
town red. Alright? Ladies and gentlemen, this is
Tawag si
the
Mama.
Blues Red. Thank you.
Mas okay daw kung
Remember that title when she gets an award this year. And right now, we got another award winning actor, the persona of the Forever Buckets. We got the one and only Mr. Mula. Ayan na lahat ng kami umaga doon. At the site of Aga Mula. Napakaganda. Hi, Sir
Alam
Aga.
nyo, si Aga.
Long time no
Si Aga
see,
Kulang.
and it's
Isa
so
yan sa
great to see your
Mula.
family. You know, they're inside the
Kabataan
cinemas
hanggang ngayon,
already.
sobrang guwapo.
Before anything else, I want to say hi to everyone.
Kung bibigyan ako ng...
Pagdating ko sa inyo lahat, first, kasali ko ng part ng Pilipinas Festival. Kaya ako kasama natin.
Alam nyo,
Thank you so much.
no joke, kung bibigyan ako ng chance.
Thank everyone. We put some time off and
Ay, sinanay.
this is very possible. Excited to be
Parang ay, wala kang bilib sa akin na yan.
So I hope my
Pag, yun,
family and
pag kami nag-inuman yan, i-update kita.
waiting for us.
Sumaside bombing.
I remember vividly, Raga, a couple of months ago, nasabi mo kasi na hindi na ako makatulog sa December 23 or 25 na, and now
Eto,
here
dito
we
yung
are.
part na
Ano
sobrang
bang
bet na bet ko,
nangibabaw
yung
sa puso mo? Ano tumatakbo sa isipan
binura-mura
mo?
siya ni Queen Dura. Sabi ni Queen Dura, masasampalin siya. Sayang.
Again, I'm excited. We haven't seen it yet.
So, ayun, yes. Mamaya-maya. Kaya siguro na ano. Sa ano?
So I'm excited. And
Konti na lang. Alin?
Ito na siya.
Oh my
Hindi na
God!
kami makapaghintay sa pag-isimula ng pelikula. Napalapaka po natin, Mr. Aga
Oh
Mula.
my God. Eto na, syempre. Tapos yung si Nadine.
But now,
Tapos yung si Aga.
we are looking at the
Bye-bye.
golden carpet.
Charet!
Everyone invite
Syempre,
you guys to
ang
please
nag-iisang
all rise and kneel
Vilma
before
Santos.
the star for
Nandiyan na
all
inaantay mo na.
seasons we got, Miss Vilma Santos.
feeling ko nakamain siya. Nakita ko na lang.
Ladies and gentlemen, making the way to this golden carpet is one and only star for all seasons, Miss Vilma Santos. All the Vilmanians are so happy to see her.
Ito si Nanay Vilmania.
Can't stop saying golden, of course, is in line with the 50th anniversary of our Metro Manila Film Festival, MMFF. We got a golden product, which is uninvited, and an icon right here.
So, ayan, si Nanay kasi Vilmania. Tinatanong ko, baka umiyak ka pa, Noy.
One of the
Hindi.
treasures
Okay.
of our country is there right now. The lady in white
Alam niyo na
icon.
grabe nagmamahal
all the things, most especially for this movie. And now, we're going to be having the privilege to talk to the star for all seasons.
Sobrang ganda
Lady
mo.
Chloe, ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming the one and only Miss Vilma Santos.
Yes, ang
Hi, Miss
naging
Vilma. I heard you want this.
ating pinaka-inaantay, pinaka-inaabangan. Okay, sa lahat po ng nanonood, Vilma Santos. Please welcome.
Ang lahat po ng kasama namin.
Yes.
Ito gabi ito sa premiere night ng
Akala ko ako.
And
kasi queen na niya.
buong family
Hindi pala.
na uninvited na ito na yung aming premiere night.
Pakinggan natin
And we
siya.
all invite you. We will thrill your hearts this coming December 25 para po sa pelikula po namin Uninvited. Please do watch. We are inviting you to watch Uninvited. And this is part of the golden anniversary of Metro Manila.
Uninvited, pero invited tayong lahat. This is what you call, I love you, Vilma. Oh my God. You're giving enough. You're giving heart to all people. You're such a privilege to watch.
Just for you guys. Okay, we have our Star for All Seasons right here on the stage. May we call in Direk Dan to please join us
Oh my God.
right here together with the President,
Alam
the
nyo,
City Illustrator, an award-winning actor, of course, may sa
hindi ako makamagsalita
all the
kasi
stars.
ang sakit na ng paa ko.
Okay.
So ayan,
Ron, Gabby,
lalapit tayo sa pinakaunahan.
RK enjoying his
Kukunin
trip
natin yung
already.
mic ni Ron.
Spotlight, JM, and Eliza. Okay.
Oo naman, Nay. Kahit
Right now,
magpapatalo kayo.
may we invite the cast for a quick photo op before they go inside the cinema. Okay, all smiles.
This is Miss Matan. Tsaka ito ha, yung kumanta
We're
ng
looking at the powerhouse cast of Uninvited.
Ito yung kumanta ng ano?
Lots of things
Yung
are
isa
gonna be
sa mga kumanta
right here.
ng kanta ng Uninvited ay si David Tandingan at si Arthur Neri at si mama mo.
Later on. Okay? Again, to all the people who are here,
Ayan, kasi close talaga kami.
who has their tickets already secured to please go inside the cinemas because we shall start in just a bit. Okay, maraming salamat po sa lahat na
Maraming
kasama
salamat.
natin ngayon.
This is Nadine.
And this time,
Bouncer ka ba daw dyan?
everyone is so ready to go inside our cinemas. May we request before they go inside the cinemas to
Oh my God,
For a
yes.
quick
Papasok na ang
message.
ating mga
later on?
bida.
Okay.
Papasok.
Alright. May we request Direct Dan to give a
May we
message
request
followed by
what?
Ms. Nadine, Kaga, and Angeline.
Magandang gabi po, Merry Christmas! Uninvited po sa December 25. Salamat po.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat po
Okay,
ulit.
panoorin niyo talaga ito
Everyone
kasi
Uninvited
isa
sa
po sa mga isa sa mga napili sa 2,000 nag-entry. 15 lang po, 15 lang po yung nakapasa or nanalo. Actually, every year ang nanalo lang 10. Pero 15 yung pinili nila kasi 15 yung magaganda talaga at isa ang uninvited sa mga napili nito. Abangan nyo,
Merry Christmas, December
supportahan nyo
25,
dahil
Uninvited.
ang
Directed by
abang-abang
D.
po.
Dan Villegas.
This is a bloody
Mentor and
justisya.
RK.
Ganun yung mga sinasabi nila.
Uninvited, December 25. Merry Christmas, everyone. We love you.
Christmas. Thank you. And before we let our... Oh, okay. I was told that we're going to be having our last photo right here sa ating golden carpet para sa ating stellar cast. So, once again, we're inviting the cast to pose for a photo. To all the people who are here, ready your cameras, all of your phones as well. And when you post online, don't you forget to use our official hashtag, which is trending already, by the way. Uninvited World Premiere. All the photos, all the snaps right here. before we let our cast visit some of our friends and fans sa Cinema 4, let me just give you some big news na ngayon lang binigay po sa akin. Even before the premiere ng Uninvited, meron na po tayong international screenings. Agad-agad. January 2, Middle East, January 10, US and Canada, coming soon. Screenings in Singapore, Japan, and Italy. Kaya ngayon pa lang, sabihan nyo na lahat ng mga kamag-anak, lahat ng mga Pilipino na manood po ng Uninvited because this is gonna be on a global scale. Congratulations in advance to the cast. Everyone is so excited to meet you inside Cinema 4. So right now, I think the cast is gonna be gracing us with their presence. Okay? Ang daming nangyari dito sa golden carpet. The biggest stars and creatives are here sa Cinema 4 and they're making way.
Mag-end na tayo.
Inside.
Nasa Antique.
Just to say hi, just to thank everyone.
So ayan, thank you so much everyone. So supportahan nyo on December 25, Uninvited. So thank you, I love you.